Morning, Mommy.
Morning.
Where are we going?
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Where are we going?
Let's go.
Costco? What else? Say happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday.
Love you.
Bye.
She's getting better. I still have this. I need to get better.
Yeah? You want better for what?
Maybe. Mama. Dos? Nathaniel can drink a whole thing of this soon. This will be gone in less than 24 hours because me and Nathaniel have this fight with this little bottle, which is fucking amazing. And we finally got some clothes. Hoodies. I'm not a big fan of this one. But it is what it is. Not bad for 40 plus grams. The math might be wrong, but still 40 plus grams. Yeah, I'm not there.
Good. What? You didn't sleep? Okay. Really?
Guys, I'm currently eating my leftovers right now because I'm gonna drink a little bit of Gatorade Zero, which my parents probably dropped the ball. I think this is like the sugar-free kind. So, they dropped the ball because I like the liquid thirst, which these are the liquid thirst in these type of bottles. But I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna watch a little bit of Tommy Lee and Pamela Anderson's, which is technically Sebastian Stan and James. It came out. They were filming last summertime, and it came out finally. The first 3 episodes came out today in the morning. But I'm like, I'm not gonna watch it until I'm actually better, or I can actually pay attention to it. So I'll probably watch like the first episode. It's a little bit of extremist. I heard that it's a lot, at least in the first 5 minutes. Episode 2, I heard it's very interesting because something happens and they show something. Obviously, they show something. But, yeah. Overall, cold-wise, sleeping and drinking fluids and drinking water, even Gatorade. It's not coronavirus, because if it was coronavirus, I would not want to get out of bed or anything. I wouldn't taste or anything. But again, first time I had coronavirus, my taste buds were like a little off, but I didn't lose my sense of smell or food or taste or anything like that. Just felt like a really bad cold. But I'm fully vaccinated, and I have not been exposed, to my knowledge, to anyone with the coronavirus. So yeah, but this has to go away by next week, or by this weekend, because on Monday, I have my audition tape that I'm doing in the office, so that's very, very exciting in itself. I have to go take a shower, but I'm too lazy to take a shower. Just me being lazy, and it's late, and it's really cold in my room, so I'll probably take a shower tomorrow morning. And yeah, I'm gonna eat this. I'll probably drink some Advil after I eat this. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna watch this Tommy Lee and Pam. Well, put Tommy and Pam, basically. Yeah, I'll let you know how I like it. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm currently eating as a snack/dessert because I'm not craving wheat cheese balls. So, I just watched the first episode of Tommy and Mom. Pretty good. First episode was like a filler episode, because it's mainly about the guy and his friend who found out the sex tape, and the guy that was a construction worker. And then episode 2 has a little bit more spiciness. But then again, spiciness because we can't really show anything because it is Hulu. It's not like HBO Max post it. But Mom and Dad, big fail on this because this literally tastes like ugh. But it's drinkable. But ugh. But yes. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. May the Lord bless you today, tomorrow, and always, and I'll be seeing you. Bye, guys. Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. Currently, voice feels better, but I still have a fucking dry ass fucking cold. It's a dry cough. It's a dry cough. And yes, I did go to McDonald's to go get breakfast at 6:30 a.m. because Priscilla unfortunately woke me up and I was actually awake. Usually I'm sleeping around this time, but anything that helps the damn medicine go down. McDonald's, this is not a death at all. At all. We've been doing this, at least for my breakfast menu, since I started eating this breakfast. It's not a hack. We finally get the big thing of Uncrustables. They were out for 2 months at the Costco. Finally, we get to have this. Costco. This is my lunch. I usually heat them up with butter, and they're better warmed than cold anyway. Alrighty, guys. I wanted to give you a nice little hair update. Because you guys know I've been having a hair journey since last year on finding new shampoo and conditioner. Because it's been a struggle. But the Soapbox shampoo and conditioner is really, really, really well. And all their products, from what I heard from TikTok, even though TikTok is not, you take it with a grain of salt because it's not a reliable source. But it's really good. So this is what my hair currently looks like. Semi still dye because I love this hair dye, and it always fades to this color, even though you can't tell. But it always fades to this natural, light. I wouldn't say orange, but like a light Cafe Castaño. But, yeah. So, yeah. I just wanted to give you a light little hair updates. Do I still use the oil or any of the oils that I bought for the hair? No, because it makes my hair really oily. And I don't use like leave-in conditioners anymore because it makes my hair really wet. At least the last two products I bought for it, I didn't really enjoy because it just made my hair really oily and really, really wet, and it wouldn't dry as quickly. So from now on, I just use shampoo and conditioner. Not even the leave-in conditioner from not Kamal Simmons. Some reality TV show star. I don't even use that. Her brand anymore. What's it called? It starts with a K. Kendra Moore. I don't use her brand anymore. It was decent. It was really decent, but I would give it a 3 out of. Sorry about that, y'all. My mom called in the middle of me talking. So, I will give her products, which I currently have one of her products right here, which I never ever used. I only probably used it like once. And it was good. It lasted my hair really good. It massaged my hair really good. But I'll give it a 3 out of 5 for my hair. And if I can find the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner and the dry shampoo, no, not the dry shampoo, but the inks, I think that's what it's called, leave-in conditioner. It was like a milky formula and it was really wet. I didn't like it. I'll give it 3 out of 10. And I believe from this brand as well, the leave-in oil or Moroccan oil, 3 out of 10 or 2 out of 10 because I didn't really enjoy it. Because it just didn't do anything. It just made my hair really, really oily. So yeah. But overall, this is what my hair currently looks like. Obviously it's wet. Okay guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna end it here for now. I'm currently watching one of my favorite episodes from Boy Meets World, which is episode 7, season 7, episode 6, when they're like commentating on the wedding and getting everything ready for the wedding. Actual medicine, liquid medicine helps because my voice is semi back to normal. Give myself a couple more days of resting up, and actually, literally, I've been sleeping for like the last several days just off. And y'all know me, next week I start school, and also next week I have to do my live taping and all of that. So that's gonna be interesting, and all of this needs to go away by then. But yeah, and also this helps too. It's got whatever spray, throat spray helps too. It helps. Well, technically numbs whatever this is. But this sucks. It's a coronavirus, but it sucks just as much. Alright, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. May the Lord bless you today, tomorrow, always, and always. Bye, guys.